In the heart of a vibrant rainforest, a curious 5-year-old boy stands beneath a towering tree, his eyes wide with wonder. Perched above him, a giant parrot with feathers shimmering in every color of the rainbow waits patiently. The boy giggles as he offers a handful of seeds, his small hand trembling with excitement. Sunlight filters through emerald leaves, casting magical patterns all around, while the parrot gently pecks at the treat, forging a bond of trust and delight.